Okay, Eman, if you want to start, please.
Okay. Yeah, it says that you have to stop. Okay. Okay. So this is the web development section of the coding. If you don't know how to log in, raise your hand to the web development.
Can we go through it once again? Okay.
Yeah.
How do you join the class? If you can, please.
Okay. So what you do when you type codehs.com, you go into sign up. You go into create student account. So you should have your parents with you. So what you do, you put your first name, your last name, then your email address and your password. So when you do all of that, then the code.
So I'll just send the code to you now.
Yeah. So when you do that, you put the code here and you click create account. Then when you've done that, you log in. Let me log in. So you log in. So when you've logged in, oh wait, it
seems there's something wrong with your login details.
I'm logging it in. Okay, just loading. Wait, I'm coming. Wait, let me quickly unshare my screen.
Okay.
I'll come back.
All right. So while we're waiting for Eman to come back, so if you are joining for the first time, you just need to go to codehs.org, as you've seen. So codehs.com rather. So then you need to register. So once you register, you log in like Eman has done. So once you've done that, so can you scroll down a bit? Okay, see on the left-hand side, you see join section as well. Join section down a bit, down. You see on the left-hand side, see where you have the resources. Yeah, you can also join the section. Can you click on that one, please? So if you're already logged in, you can also use that one to join this section. So the section code is FC07D. Can you type, yeah, FC07D? So you can join this section. Yeah. So once you join this section, then you are able to see what Eman is saying right now, right? So, okay.
So you have a screen and you click which one you're doing. So now we're doing web development. So you click on web development, then it'll give you to this page. So when you've done that, so we'll start. So I believe that everyone is on introduction to HTML. Well, let's continue with the video.
Hi. In this video, we'll be going through an introduction to one of the most important parts of web development, and that is the language HTML. So here's a question. Have you ever wondered how exactly web pages are made? You probably view several websites a day on the internet, but have you ever wondered what goes into making these web pages behind the scenes? Well, introducing HTML. HTML is the language for building web pages. So why learn HTML? Well, HTML lets us build our own web pages. When we build our own web pages, we can easily share our ideas and creations with the entire world. Web pages have become an incredibly valuable resource in our society for spreading information, spreading ideas, for artists to share their creations, for
Sorry,
groups to get
wait.
together and
Hey, man, I
organize.
think there's a problem.
Web pages are the new way.
I can't. It's just a black screen.
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you start it again, please?
Hi.
Okay.
In this video, we'll be going through an introduction to one of the most important parts of web development, and that is the language HTML. So here's a question. Have you ever wondered how exactly web pages are made? You probably view several websites a day on the internet, but have you ever wondered what goes into making these web pages behind the scenes? Well, introducing HTML. HTML is the language for building web pages. So why learn HTML? Well, HTML lets us build our own web pages. When we build our own web pages, we can easily share our ideas and creations with the entire world. Web pages have become an incredibly valuable resource in our society for spreading information, spreading ideas, for artists to share their creations, for groups to get together and organize. Web pages are the new way information is shared between people. Well, let's start with breaking down this HTML. What exactly is HTML? Well, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. How exactly does HTML mark up the text of a web page? Well, introducing HTML tags. HTML tags mark up the text of a document in order to tell the browser how that text should be displayed. So HTML is made up of several tags that can decorate or mark up the standard text of a document in order to tell the browser how that text should be displayed. So at the core of it, HTML is really just normal text plus these markup tags. So what do HTML tags look like? Well, they're enclosed in angle brackets. You can see there, that's an example of an HTML tag. They are not actually displayed on the resulting web page. They're only found in the HTML document, not on the final web page. And they inform the browser about how certain text should be displayed. So let's look at our first HTML tag, and that is the H1 tag. So as you can see, tags start and end with angle brackets. We have the opening angle bracket and the closing angle bracket. And the name of the tag goes in between these angle brackets. So this is an H1 tag. The name of the tag is H1. Now when we use these tags, we need both an opening tag and a closing tag. And the opening tag looks exactly like the closing tag, except that the closing tag has a backslash right before the tag name. Now in between the opening and closing tag, we have the actual text or the content on the web page that is affected by the tag. So here, the hello will be affected by the H1 tag. It's decorated with H1. Let's see what this looks like in the editor. You can see the code here, and let's see what happens if we take off the H1 tag and we just say hello. So here we see that the text looks a little bit different. If we add around the hello an H1 tag, we're actually marking it up or decorating it to tell the browser, hey, I want it to be displayed big and bold. So that's our first tag, the H1 tag, and this is our first HTML page. Now it's your turn.
Okay. So you just watched the video, so let's continue to see what's next. Okay. So this is our HTML tag. So what we do, we go to formatting. So we go to formatting and just place your block. Then you put what you want to write inside. So that says here, hello world. So let's just see what happens. So it has hello world in a bold writing. So it's saying if I take it off and just put here. So we have hello. So that's the first one, just to see what the code does. So yeah, next one. So okay, something like this. See, I've already done it. So now what you do is, now I just need to say for this one, so I'll start again. So now, so it says here, so the objective is to say hello. So you go to formatting, get your H1 tag. So you get your H1 tag, then you put hello. My name is Iman. Yeah, something like that. So if you run the code, so it'll be in a bold text like this. Raise your hand if you don't understand. Does anyone not understand? Okay, yeah. So Hafiz, you can unmute yourself. Okay, so that's the first. Okay. Praise, you can unmute yourself. Praise. Okay, so let's continue. So yeah, we've done the first H1 tag. So it's now header tags. This is an example. And now this is heading, so now shows all the types of headings. If we run the code, we'll show what each heading is. So heading 1 is the biggest, 2 and 3, so 6 is the lowest heading. 6 is the lowest heading out of all of them. To make them smaller and smaller, to design your web page. Okay, so this is your first HTML page. I've already done this, but I'll start again. And now I'll go to formatting. So now you can choose whatever block you want. So from 1 to 6, from H1 to H6. So I'm gonna put H3. So now what you do, you just put say, my name is Iman. Now run the code. So it'll be in H3 form, which is this size, like that. So let's continue. Okay. So the next video is images.
Hi. In this video, we'll learn about HTML images. So we've all seen it. Web pages have images. They spice up the web page, give us something to look at. It's very common for a web page to have an image. So how can we add images to our web pages? Well, introducing the image tag, IMG. So the IMG tag allows us to add images to our web pages. So let's look at an example image tag. So there's a couple important things to note here. First is that there's no closing tag, kind of like BR and HR. There's no need for a /image tag because really there's no text being annotated by the image tag. There's nothing to put inside an image tag and close it because the image tag isn't really doing anything to text. It's just fetching an image and putting it on the page. So really it's just simply image tag and some attributes. Now the attributes are very important. So what are the attributes of an image tag? First off, we have the SRC attribute, or the source attribute. The source attribute specifies where we should get the image from, and this is the URL for an image. So this is where the image tag will actually look to grab the image and insert it onto your web page. We also have width and height attributes, and these can be used to specify the size of the image, and it's specifying the size in pixels. Now, we'll be learning a lot more about pixels later on in the course, but for now, just know that pixels are the tiny, tiny little dots of color on your computer screen that, when put together, create the entire image. So for example, I can zoom in really, really close here, and you can see that all of these shapes on the screen are really made of these tiny, tiny little squares, each of which have a color. Now, each of those squares are 1 pixel. To give you an idea, that first line has a thickness of about 1 pixel, the second line has a thickness of about 12 pixels, and that last line has a thickness of about 24 pixels. And pixels are the unit of measurement we'll be using to size our images. Let's look at an example. So here we have an image, and we have specified the source attribute to pull an image from that URL. And the result is the CodeHS logo. Now we can add a width attribute of 100 pixels, and that will shrink the image. You can see that the height shrunk along with it. So if we only specify width or height, then the other attribute will scale to keep the image the same shape. If we specify both width and height, then the image will actually get stretched to fit into those dimensions. So if we have a width of 100 and a height of 600 pixels, then the image will actually be stretched to look really tall.
Okay, so just watch the video. So let's see about image tags. And this is an example what an image tag will look like. So say we want to create our web page. So we have our format tag, which is H1. We'll say welcome to CodeHS. Then what's next? We'll have the image block, the image format, and you put the link inside. It will be the link. And let's see, we run the code. It will show this. Welcome to CodeHMS. Like that. So, yeah. Isaac, you raised your hand.
No, it was just I was just asking Uncle something.
Okay. So it now says here, add 4 images to this web page using the IMG tag. Image links are provided, or you find your own. The height should be set to 150 pixels. So now let's just copy the first one. Okay, wait. We can come back. So copy and paste. It says now. So does anyone want to help on this one?
I do, but I can't raise my hand.
Okay, yeah. So you can help. So what will we do first?
Firstly, you go to resources.
Can I help as well?
Okay, yeah. So we go to resources and
then you put out the IMG tag.
yep.
Wait, can you go to the assignment so you can see what we need to do?
Okay.
Um,
It says add 4 images to this web page using the IMG tag. Image links are provided and the height should be set to 150 pixels.
Okay, so if you go back to my code. Now you go to the source. In the source, in the IMG thing.
Yep.
In the middle of the you'll paste what you copied, the link that you copied, and then scroll along, and then the bit where it says alt, change it to height.
And the height has to be 150 pixels.
Yeah, so you'll change it to 150. Maybe also switch to code view to make it easier. It might be a bit easier if you switch to code.
Switch to what?
Switch to code view.
The coding format.
Where's that again?
On the top, where it says switch to code view, it might make it a bit easier.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Now you can see it.
Height has to be 150 pixels.
So you put, and then it should work. So then we'll go to run code.
Okay, so we
And
run
then
our
run
code.
it.
Okay, yeah, so that's the first picture. So now it says that for the assignment, we have to do all 4 pictures.
Yeah. So do you mind if I help now as well?
Yeah.
I think I must have not done that one.
Right. So do you still want to use blocks? Yeah, I think you should use blocks instead.
Yeah, we can
Yeah,
go
okay.
back to blocks, but if you can't reach any bits, just go to text for that.
Yeah. So we just do the same.
I don't think it might fit underneath. You could just literally put it anywhere. I think it'll be fine. So
Or you could go to the code view.
yeah.
And when you move to the code view, then you can now get the block and just put it in the code view and continue that.
Let me copy and paste.
I think if you already copied that picture, you might want to choose a different one.
Well, I copied the first one then.
Yeah, I think maybe choose the second, third, or fourth one.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Control C. Control.
Okay. So let's just copy this one, last one.
Nice. In between the, yeah.
We switch to code view. Okay, yeah, the public. So we need to switch to alt. New height. Switch to code view. Where is it now?
I think you might need to like shuffle it up, you know.
Yeah, you need to join it within first one.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
And the height needs to stay the same.
Okay.
Yeah, nice.
So after this one, we'll break into rooms. So I know we've done some of the guys have done this last week. So let's try to help everyone. So I think everyone should be able to share their screen. So if you don't know what to do, so please do ask to share your screen so that they can help you to do this. So I think the exercise today is to make sure everyone is able to do this. You know what H1 is, H2 is, H3 is, and also we know how to use the SRC, we know how to use the image. This is very, very important. So, and that's going to be the exercise today. So if everyone can be able to help everyone in the team. Isaac, you raise your hand. Any question?
Will you send something silly?
Okay. Tolu, right? Or what? I didn't see that. So that's where okay. What's going to happen is I might have to lock down the chart again so that I think initially I don't allow you to chat publicly. So, okay. All right, cool. Okay. All right. So we're going to, okay. Chelu, I'm going to, Isaac. Isaac? Isaac? Okay, all right. Okay. We're going to, Chelu, are you there? Isaac? Okay, we're going to break into rooms now, okay? So I'll see you guys. So I've already created the rooms. So I think it's like the other one that we had, but I've kind of mixed other people into the group. So I've got Shibidom and Trinolua in group in room 1. I've got Kamzi. So, and so Tisha, you're going to move to room 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, Mr. Deji, am I in room 2?
Yeah, you're in room 2, Kamsi. So, I'm looking for Tisha. You've changed your name, right? Is that okay? All right. So Tisha, you're going to be room 2. So room 3, you have Grace and you have Tiolu as well. Yeah. And Tiolu, you need to, yeah. So because you are the host before as well. Yeah.
Am I co-host on the breakout room?
Who is talking?
Isaac.
Isaac. Okay, Isaac, you are in room. Think. Okay, yeah, you are part actually, so that's fine. So in room 4, I've got Iman and Excel also. Same. Yeah. Okay. You guys, so we just need to continue from where we stopped, okay?
Okay.
Yep.
You didn't make Isaac a co-host.
I think everyone can share anyway, so that's okay.
9,000 kilo pay.
Ensure that you're in a quiet place. If your parents is there, so ask them to be muted.
9,000 pounds.
So there's a noise coming from someone.
How do we go in the breakout?
Isaac, can you tell your dad, please? Can everyone move to their rooms, please?
My one isn't sharing. I'm going to my room.
Okay.
How do we go to our room?
I've kind of started a room for you, right? So you should be able to join. So I'm going to assign you again, okay?
Okay.
So you guys should start going now, okay?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Well, we should be muted, guys.
Oh, yeah, hi.
Guys, okay, hello. So quickly, because our time is fast spent, okay? So we're going to quickly get feedback. Room 1.
Oh, yes, Uncle. Everyone was amazing. Again, everyone was contributing. And they were even helping me because I got stuck on some stuff. So well done, everyone. Thank you.
That's really, really good. So, okay, quickly, room 2, because there's something I wanted to do after this.
Our team was able to. Okay, our
Guys,
team was able to do as much as we could. They were able to help as many people as possible, and they also helped me. So well done.
Yeah,
okay,
and
cool.
I think everyone is up to date with everything, so that's good as well.
All right, that's brilliant. So room 3, because I'm going to ask 2 people to share their app later, their website, the best one, basically. Okay, room 3, quickly.
So in my group, we managed to finish the IMG bit, so we actually got onto making our own apps.
Right.
I should showcase mine a little, and then we were helping Prince with his own, although we didn't get to finish. And
Okay.
then but we actually got to a good start on it. And at the start, not many people are contributing and we're quite shy, but then I got more people speaking by the end than I expected.
That's really brilliant. That's good. That's good. Room 4, quickly.
So we did the web. So we made the website. So everyone contributed to making the website. Everyone had ideas, pictures, and yeah.
Okay. Oh, now we're going to do a bit of competition now. Okay. So I want to see room 1, room 2, room 3. Okay. You guys need to decide. For room 1, who wants to show the best app? Okay. The best website. Okay. You guys need to decide now. Okay. Which one is the best one that you guys want to put forward? So you're going to compete against the other groups as well. So start to decide now. Okay. Room 1, which one who wants to show their app, their website? Room 1, or no one?
I'd like to share my website.
Yeah, Shibudom should.
Okay, Shibudom. Okay, all right. Is everyone agrees Shibudom for room 1? Is that?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Shibudom.
Okay.
You've been nominated, okay?
Yeah. Shall I share it now?
Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. And room 2, you need to get ready, okay? You need to select someone. Room 2, who's going to go for room 2?
Guys, does anyone bring I wouldn't mind putting myself forward.
Okay.
Why don't you go?
Yeah, find it. Okay, thanks.
All right, cool. Okay, we have to for room 2. Room 3.
Wait, what is your name, sir?
No. Room 3. Oh, I'd like to, but does anyone else want to showcase theirs?
Room 3.
Guys, I'd like to, but would anyone else want to showcase theirs?
No, you can do it.
You can do it, Grace. I think mine is bad.
All right, so Grace, you've been nominated for room 3. Room 4.
I think I'll do it.
Okay, is that okay with everybody in room 4? Amen to go?
Yeah, that's definitely okay for me.
All right, cool. All right. So, okay, let's see. Room 1 now. Let's see room 1.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Okay, that's really cool.
Quite nice.
Okay. Very cool. Okay, brilliant.
Thanks.
Okay, room 2, quickly.
Okay. Oh, sorry, my internet's quite slow.
Okay.
Whoa.
All right.
That's nice.
All right, cool.
That's really nice. That's good.
All right, room 3. This is getting interesting.
This is
Okay,
good. Well done.
Okay, I'm sharing.
Room 3.
This is my
Okay, Grace. Okay.
This is it.
Whoa. Okay.
Whoa, that's so kiddish.
That's okay.
That's so nice.
Wow. Okay. All right. That's brilliant. So room 4. Room 4. Quickly.
Yep.
Wow. This is cool. Wow. This is brilliant. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. So now we need to vote. Okay. Quickly. All right.
This is gonna be hard.
It's gonna be hard. I know. So okay. All right. Let's start now. If you want to vote for, okay. I don't know whether you're allowed to vote twice. Don't vote twice. Okay. Only one. Okay. So if you want to vote for room 1, you can raise your hand quickly. Room 1. So if you are not allowed to vote twice, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for room 1. Okay. Let me. Yeah, you can vote for your. Okay, all right. That's even interesting. Okay, don't vote for your class. Okay, don't vote for your room. Okay.
Oh,
that would be fair. Actually, don't vote for your room.
that's funny. That makes it harder.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, that's harder. Yeah, I know. Don't vote for your room. Vote for another room. Okay. Room 1. Okay, room 1. Let's start again. Room 1. You are not allowed to vote for your room. Room 1. Okay. All right. Cool. Okay. Room 2. So we have one person for room 1. Room 2. Room 2.
I'm sorry, no, I meant to put my hand up for room 2. I didn't mean to put it for room 1.
Okay, room 2. Room 2. Okay. Okay, we have 8 for room 2. Okay, can you lower your hands, please? Room 3. Room 3. You're not allowed to raise your hand for your rooms, okay? Room 3, and you're only allowed once. Room 3.
7, everyone should be muted. Everyone should be muted.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, 8, 12.
How many do you have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Mr. Deji.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Room 3, 10. Room 4. Room 4. You're not allowed to vote for your room, okay? Room 4. Room 4 now, okay?
I actually think room 4 is the
Okay. All right, 3. So okay. So I think we know the winner. So to be honest, sometimes it's not the popular vote. Okay. The best app for this week actually goes to room 3. So well done for you guys, room 3. Okay. That's really well done. So okay. So to be honest, if I'm asked, actually they love cool stuff, cool app. Chinedu, can you please turn off your video? Chinedu, can you turn off your video, please?
I think room 4 was better.
Thank you. Yeah. So I think, yeah, as you guys know, we saw a lot of cool apps actually. So so 1 minute, guys. If you can, for those apps, I think what Grace did, I think I kind of like it. So if you guys can do the same thing, Grace, can you share your screen quickly, please?
Okay.
So. And if you can convert it into a link like that one, where
what happens is that I press the CHTML.
CHTML, okay, all right, cool. So can you do that? Okay, you can see the link now. Then quickly, can you send that link to me right now so I can send to your parents? Basically, that would be everyone. Can you quickly do that right now? So, Grace, can you do it again? Let them see how they can get the link. Okay.
I don't know if it works on my account.
No, it should work for everyone. Can you go to your project? Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Uncle, how do we send it to you?
So just send it from the chat now, quickly.
So what happens is that you have the code here, Then you press CHTML.
Okay, I'm going to allow you to send it to, hold on 1 minute, so quickly, so you can do that globally, okay? So everyone can see publicly. Okay, can you send it again now, quickly? So everyone, you can send it to everybody so that they'll be able to see it.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So this is for everybody. Can you send it, even if you have not finished, can you send yours as well? Okay, everyone. So can you do that quickly? So even if you did not do your showcase, can you send your own code quickly? Okay. All right, cool. Thank you, everybody. You got 1 minute.
What do you mean?
You can see what everybody is sending now. Okay, you need to send your code as well. Yeah. So then I will send to your parents to see what we've done today. Okay. Okay, cool. So, okay, how do I do that? Okay, Grace, can you do that quickly? I think someone is asking, how can you do that? Can you look at what Grace is doing right now? Okay.
You go here, and then what you do is press CHTML in a new window.
Okay. All right, cool. So I think, let me try to open one of them and say, so I did not say I think some people are sending the students HTML in new window. That's what you need to do, okay? Not the HTML one, okay? No. So you don't need to send the URL to me, okay? You need to click on HTML in a new window, okay?
Okay, and then I'll
Okay. All right. So Chidera, you need to resend yours, okay? So you need to resend yours, and as well as who's this?
Okay.
I can see everyone who sent.
Yeah. So the one was admin.
Okay.
Aniel, you need to resend yours as well, but that's not the right one. Okay. So Oluwatike is right, and Eman, you're right. So yeah. So Grace is okay. Okay. So okay. Should be done. Okay, cool. Should be done. Also, you need to resend yours, actually, because the one that you send is okay. For your parents might need to run it, so I don't want them to run it. I want them to just click on it, basically. Okay, they just need to click on it. Ebube, the one you send is not the right one. Okay, so guys, you need to follow instruction. Okay, you need to follow instruction. For the last time, I'm going to ask Grace to do it again. Okay, you need to listen now. Grace, can you do that again, please? So,
Make a website in your code, which should take you where you made your. And then
sorry, 1 minute, Grace. Aniel, can you listen now? Okay, that's not what I wanted. Okay, you need to look at that. Okay, you've got your code in your switch code. Okay, and you can see Grace is running it, and you click on HTML in a new window. Okay, Grace, can you do that?
So you press CHTML in a new window.
Okay, that opens a new window for you. Then you can now copy that link. If the link you are copying and sending to me has not got editor HTML inside, you are not doing the right thing. Okay, the link that you are sending should have editor/HTML inside and should end with index.html. Okay, that is one. Okay, so quickly, and I think one thing I can say, can everyone resend it quickly? Put your name on it, okay? So that we know this is who actually did it, okay? Can we quickly edit it, okay? And put your name on it. And then resend the code. Quickly, okay? and you add your name and you will send it quickly, okay? So the one that you're saying to me should have editor HTML, okay? And also should have your name. So inside your code, put your name inside your code, okay? Inside your code, not even at the end. Edit your code, put your name inside your code. Like Grace, you have coding for Kit by Kit. You can put by Grace, okay?
Itself. Okay, I can do that.
Okay, exactly. So yeah, you just edit it and put it inside, okay?
H.
At the beginning or at the end, yeah, exactly.
I think if you edit it, refresh it,
okay.
Change. So H. I'm gonna do an H4. In fact, no H5. I'm just doing that quick. Okay.
Quickly, our time with.
Okay.
Okay, cool. All right. So then you can save it and you can do it. So yeah, basically that's what I want. Okay. Then yeah, exactly. All right, guys, can you do that quickly now? Okay. So this is really cool.
Uncle Deji, I can't hear you. Oh, come on. Why did my video turn on? Uncle Deji, I can't hear you.
Can you guys stop chatting?
Let's be honest.
Sir? Sir?
All supposed to be on mute.
Sir? Sir? Sir, are we allowed to go now?
Uncle Deji says that you didn't ask, so feel free to leave whenever you
Yeah, guys, you can go whenever
thank you.
You guys can go whenever you want.
It hasn't. I don't think it's finished.
And yeah, that's the best.
I think Uncle Deji left. Yeah, anyway, I think, guys, we should be rounding up anyway, anyhow. So
I think it just kicks him out. He will log back in.
Okay, guys.
I think it makes sense.
As you can see, guys.
That's the leave Uncle Deji left.
I know. Why are you the host?
Now he'll log back in.
Guys. So if you send the link in the chat, then just
I don't like to be
excuse me, guys, excuse me. Can we please listen to Anil? He's trying to talk to you guys.
Okay, guys. Once you've done send the link inside the coding thing, and it looks like Grace has done here. It should be in this. We send this link here at the top. Once you've done that in the chat, you can leave. And so thank you for coming today. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day and your week may go well. And thanks for coming.
Yeah. Remember, guys, there's no coding next week because it's a Christmas break.
Oh yeah. No will be I don't have a link. I don't have a link.
Good job.
I don't have a link.
Ooh la 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 la.
So there's no coding next week, guys. Have a lovely Christmas. We'll be back next year.
I don't have a link. I don't have a link. I don't have a link.
Guys, one at a time.
Excuse me, guys. Wait.